Task number 70. The pizza is assembled according to the recipe. Mushrooms, 2. Cucumber, 1. There are only 3 elements. Choose what is missing. I repeat the task. The pizza is assembled according to the recipe. Mushrooms, 2. Cucumber, 1. There are only 3 elements. Choose what is missing. You have 15 seconds to complete this task yourself. Time has passed. Let's solve the problem together. In this task we need to assemble a pizza according to the recipe on the left. In the recipe we have 2 mushrooms and 1 cucumber. We don't have anything on pizza, so we need to add 2 mushrooms. 1, 2, and 1 cucumber. And this is the correct answer. If you solve the task this way, you are great. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new tasks and join a group of experts.